Got this a TikTok. This is the Red Velvet Crinkles by Milo Mayo. How do I open this? I was craving for it because it looks good. And I love crinkles. I also love red velvet. And this is the matcha jelly of Shara, one of my high school schoolmates. I bought their coffee jelly and matcha jelly. This is around 65 pesos, I think. And it's lamig. So, nainan ako earlier because I was so sleepy. Now, let's eat. Look at that. Look at that. It's not too sweet. I think it's just around 200 something. 16 pesos, by the way. Thank you. I clicked the link in the yellow basket. To Dow.